Akkadian Empire. For 1200 years, Sumer was a land of independent city-states. Then, around 2300 BCE, the Akkadians conquered the land. They were led by a great king named Sargon, the first ruler of the Akkadian Empire. Sargon was both a strong king and a skilled general. He built his empire through effective military strategies. Soldiers carrying shields stood at the front of the formation. Behind this line stood soldiers carrying spears. The spear carriers extended their weapons between the shields. To keep control of his empire, Sargon used very clever political strategies. He destroyed the walls of many cities to make it harder for people to rebel. He also demanded the loyalty of the governors of city-states, and he became the first king to decree that his sons rule after his death. He and the Akkadians had created the world's first empire. This was their greatest achievement. The Akkadians farmed using the Sumerians' irrigation techniques. To record information, they used Sumer's system of cuneiform writing. They even worshipped the same gods and goddesses, although they called them by different names. Religion stayed central to the social order, and kings continued to rule in the name of the gods. The Akkadians had their own cultural achievements. Over time, their language replaced the Sumerian language. In art, they became especially well known for their skillful three-dimensional sculptures. These carved stones are called steles. The victory stele is a famous example. It was created to celebrate a military victory by Sargon's grandson. For a time after the fall of the Akkadians, Sumer was once again a group of city-states. Sargon had hoped that his empire would last for 1,000 years, but later kings found it difficult to rule such a large territory. The empire grew weak. After about 200 years, the Akkadian Empire fell to new invaders from the north.